Hi, we're Periwinkle Planner Co., and we hope you enjoy the video.
Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co., and today I'm going to be planning, decorating in my classic size happy planner. That's a vertical planner, and I use this for wellness, journaling, that kind of thing, memory planning. I got a new sticker book that I want to use today. It's called Modern Year. I think this one is only found on the Happy Planner website. I didn't see it on Joann's or on Michael's, and I ordered it directly from them. That was one reason I got it, because I didn't think it would be one that would be obtainable beyond the Happy Planner site. And I believe that this one goes fairly well with the Modern Farmhouse and then this Florals book that was in the Be Happy box. They're all kind of along the same line. And I almost think the Sophisticated Florals might be like this too. So I pulled out some stickers that I wanted to use. Got these and these. I did find a Happy Easter out of this book because that's the week that we are going to be planning for. So if you notice too, I took my snap cover off here because I needed to put it on my recipe planner, which is kind of funny since I can make myself a new one that I didn't have any extras lying around, but I had to take this one off of there to put it on that one. So now this one doesn't have one. So this is the current week. Today is Wednesday, so I'll be filling Wednesdays out tomorrow morning. I've got these two filled out for the week. And here's my rest of the week. I don't know if I ever did show, if you wanted to see, this was the rainbow week from the week before, all filled out. It looks like that. I am going to be doing a flip through of January, February, and March in the next upcoming weeks, kind of like a first quarter flip through of my planners. So now we are planning for the first week in April, which also has the last 3 days of March. So let's take this out of here. And I didn't even think to look to see what kind of colors were in April, to see if they will even go with these stickers. I guess they're not, it's kind of browns and greens and peaches. It might be all right. I don't even think I'm going to cover her up. I think I'm going to leave that. I had planned on taking this week, though, and putting it over here, so we can probably still do that. I'll just move it up a little bit so it doesn't hit her in the head. And put that on here. Make sure it covers everything. I was thinking of putting these flowers around it, but I don't know if that's going to work. Okay. It's straight, but it's not that straight, but we're going to leave it. Straight enough. How about that? And then we have Easter is the 4th. So I think I'm going to put that one right away over here. I don't know if I have something to put behind it, though. I could do that. I should have pulled some more flowers, huh? Let's wait on this one. I could pull some of these black flowers or something to put behind it. So let's see where we want to start. Again, I'm just journaling, so I need room for journaling, but I also want to, kind of decorate it some too. I think I'm going to put this one on the side. Oops, these are like really noisy today. I have a black and white polka dot, and then I'm just going to put this quote to the side of it, just kind of to layer it a little bit, and I'm not putting them in the boxes this week. I'm also not putting them straight, it looks like. Jeez. Hold on. I should know better than to pull two stickers off at once. It always makes me lay them down crooked when I do that. So I was trying not to put this one totally in this box, but yet I don't want to waste too much valuable writing room either. Okay, so there's that. And then we'll put this one over it. What to show. Right there. These are the ones that I don't. These stickers are really hard to see because it's the white on white that I usually take a gray mild liner or something and highlight the edge, because I don't like how that looks. That you can't see it on camera, I should say. And then since I have the pattern with a quote, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I have this one, which here I'm pulling off 2 stickers again, and this one. So why don't we put this one maybe in the reverse, and I think I'm going to put it, well, this got to remember there's going to be Easter on Sunday too. I'm going to put it over here because I want to journal about Easter too. I have no idea if anything's going to happen on Easter, but I'm hoping it's a nice, relaxing day just with me and my family. So that's those 2. And let's see, I kind of like pull one shape and then the same for the other side. So now I have these 2 type of stickers, this one and then another big one, that one for one side, one for the other. And I think I'm going to put this one, I wonder if I should put this on. Let's put this one up here. I don't know where I'm going to put Easter though. I'm going to put this one in the box, or as close as I can to putting it in the box, and then put this one in the box on this side somewhere. Let's put this one down here. I don't know why, I just have a urge to put it down in this box. Okay. All right, so what next? Now we have 2 more small ones. Do I want to put those, or do I want to try some flowers and stuff first? How about we put this Happy Easter? I just don't know where I want it. You know, if I want it way up here or way down here. Maybe we'll put it on the bottom, and I could put, I have these 3 hexagon things, kind of hexagon shapes. I never know what you're really supposed to do with these. So I think we'll just kind of make a cluster of them and put the Happy Easter either near it, or, I mean, are you supposed to line them up so that their sides match? I don't really know. I guess you can do with them whatever you think to do with them. I thought that, I could put the Happy Easter right over them. Kind of. Maybe like that. Again, not to take up room too much so that I can Should I go way down in the corner? I don't really want to. How about just like that? A little different. And then I still have those flowers that kind of have to go on this side. I'm almost thinking I'm going to pull out more of these, because I could put them over here. Let's see, does this fit the box? No. So it does almost have to be on a line of something. I could put them right there. I almost want to move that one over. Yeah, I don't think it would look good if you put them here, would it? It's kind of weird. You know what? I'm going to do it. That's what I decided. I'm going to line this up against that line. And then I'll just put a box over that. That'll be good. All right, so let's put a light box here, like right in the middle maybe. So we'll use a starter box over here. I could put that one, I'll go like right here. Okay, and then what else do I have? I have this leaf that I could put down on this one. Should I put it behind it? see how tall it is here. Guess I need to pull it up almost all the way. Wow, that sticker doesn't want to pull up. The new stickers don't come up, even being on wax paper. That's not good. Not good at all. All right. So I want this time to relax somewhere over here. So maybe just kind of put it that in there. And I did want to put the great day over here too, because being Easter. Yeah, it might look better up here. Could actually put it on the bottom line here. Like that. So then we put this one over here that says bring on the week. So that would make sense to put it up here. Or up here. Can do that. Fill in that little space. Okay. Then I have a few smaller stickers. This one can go over here. But I don't really, it's gonna be right next to that. Maybe this one can go. Maybe I want to move this one if it will let me. Let's see. I just said these don't come up so well. Wow, look at that, how hard that is. Jeez. Oof. Don't like that. Let's put this one up here. We're going to go in the box on this one. And then maybe this one could go, I still like it on the flower a little bit. Just go over a little further maybe. There. Put this one up here. This one we can put down here. Balance it out. That's what I meant by one little sticker, one little sticker. And then I do have a weekly checklist, which I think I'm just going to put up here. I don't really have any place else to put it. Oops. But it would be nice to center it above this at least. And then maybe I will pull in some more flowers. This one just says caffeine and confidence. I think that's kind of cute. So where do I want to put that? Maybe down here. That flower. And then let's see. I did pull out some of this washi. That maybe we could use that. I thought it doesn't really match. So this one kind of matches better with that brown. And then I had some black too. I could layer it. Let's see how this looks. I think I've used this yet. It's brand new in the end there. Just kind of tear it. I want to put it. Put it here. Oops, I don't want it touching that though either. You know, I just tear wasn't so great. I don't want it touching that box over here. That's what matches a little better. So then we'll just kind of put this on top of this. Oh, that looks kind of nice. It gives a couple different tones of color with having it that way. So then we'll put some over here, probably down here, because there's nothing else there. We'll make this one a little longer. I wish I could tear them without having that little tail on the end. I don't want the straight cut from cutting it. There, that worked. Okay, let's put this one down here. There's like little strings. Almost looks like it's coming unraveled. but it's paper. These solid color washies, I found them on Amazon. They just come in a big pack of neutral colors or some other soft tone colors, and they're not opaque, which is kind of fun because you can make different colors by laying them on top of each other, and then they have different layers of dimension. There, I think that looks good, because if I put any more stickers, I did want to put more flowers, but if I do that, then I'm not going to have room to write. I could almost put, like, if I had a loose flower, that would look good there. You know, like to stick it, one of these flowers. So let's just look really quick. There's gold, but I don't have any gold. I have rose gold, so we don't want to do that. Here's some small ones. Just like one of those open ones. Do we have an open one? Yeah, right here. I can stick that. Maybe like here. Maybe like right there. Just to bring a little bit of flower over on that side. Could put this right on this week. Okay, that's enough. Stop while we're ahead. All right, so these stickers were from the Florals book that came in the Be Happy box, the New Modern Year, which is from the Happy Planner site, and I got a couple of these from Modern Farmhouse, which has been out for a little bit. And then that Happy Easter was from an older holiday seasonal book. So there we go. Let's put it back in here. Find April. There we go. So the first week, not full week, but full partial week of April. It almost reminds me more of fall colors than spring colors, but very neutral. It'll work. Okay, so until next time. Oh, and have a happy Easter. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.